back to my channel. It's Ashley here again. Hope you guys are having a fantastic, wonderful day. I'm doing really good today. Me and my husband went out and did some fall pictures, so my hair is a little crazy from the wind. But again, hope you guys are doing well. Today we have yet again another unboxing. Today we have my Boxycharm box. If you do not know, Boxycharm is $21 a month, comes every single month. You usually get between 5 to 6 full-size items. So let's jump right in and see what we got for the month of November. And I bought a pink box cutter, which I am in love with. So see how this little guy works. Alright, works very well, very sharp. So we open up the box and it looks like this inside. It has our card on top with the little foamy stuff to keep everything protected. And here's the card for this month. Everything that is in the box is inside this card with our full size values. And the theme this month is Goaldigger. So the first thing I'm pulling out is, seems to be, we have some brushes. And these are really cute. They come in this little packaging that has these gold specks everywhere. So let's just get these guys open and see, maybe, and see what is in here. Why is it, it's like so tiny. Okay. Well, there comes one. Come out, come out. Oh, one little straggler. Okay, so here are the 4 brushes that we received this month. I really like the packaging and the handles of them. They are gold and sparkly. And the brushes themselves seem to be very nice. Very nice. Excuse me. So we just have some eye brushes here, which I love getting brushes in boxes because I can always use them. So the first thing we got is 4 eye brushes. And this says, let me just go ahead and read about them here. And this says, add a little sparkle to your brush collection with this limited edition Boxycharm collaboration. The Luxy Luminous Eye Set features 4 synthetic eye brushes. And these retail for $21. So these are $21 brushes. And the next thing I'm pulling out is in this little cute gold box. And this is Lashaholic Luxury Lashes. And here's the little packaging for them. And we open them up and, ooh, they're very pretty. Very long. Again, I don't really wear fake eyelashes. I have tried to wear them and it just does not turn out good. I've tried multiple times to put them on my eyeballs and it just doesn't work out. But maybe I'll give these guys a try. And these are, let me hold them up for you again. This says, elevate your eye look with new Lashaholic lashes. These 100% vegan falsies made from premium silk fibers give your lashes dimension, natural looking length, and volume. And the value of these are $14.99. Whoops. So these guys are $14.99 for these lashes. So those are really pretty. The next thing I am pulling out is this little guy. And this is by, sorry, my voice is like going crazy. This is by Jean Bleu. This is Glittering Star Eyeliner. Long-lasting, intense black color. Update your eyes. And the packaging is super cute. It has some stars around it and it is gold and black. And this says, sparkle up your glam with Jean Bleu Glittering Star Eyeliner. The specially formulated black glitter eyeliner pencil glides on gently, leaving behind a long-lasting and subtle shimmer you'll completely adore. And this retails for $5. So there's that. So let's open this guy and see what it looks like. Whoops. So it is a pencil. I was thinking it was going to be like a liquid, but it is not. It is a sharpenable pencil. And we would just get a swatch here. Ooh, it is very, very shiny. I absolutely love it. Here's the eyeliner. I don't know if you guys will be able to see the little sparkles that are in there, but it is very black, it is very smooth, and it has a lot of glitter in it. So I'm super excited about this. I would definitely add this to my eyeliner collection. The next thing I'm pulling out is in this box, and this is by Cover FX Glitter Drops. Okay, and it comes in this box here, and this is in the shade Nova. Woohoo! And here are the glitter drops. Looks to be very golden. And this says, these ultra concentrated drops of multi-dimensional glitter create a high compact reflective finish that wows. It says you can mix them into your foundation or moisturizer or wear them alone for a glitter effect on the face and body. And these retails for $44. That is really expensive for glitter drops. So here's that. So let's see what they look like here. I don't want to make a mess. Oh, are they like, oh. So here are the drops. It is very liquidy. And I'll just put a little bit on my hand. Close that guy back up. And here they are on my hand. And ooh, that is beautiful. Look at that. That is so pretty. So I mean, I would probably use it on my eyes or to accentuate my collarbone. I don't know how it would be mixed with foundation because I feel like you would have just like a lot of glitter all over your face. But that is super pretty. I don't have anything to wipe this on. We'll just wipe it here. And now my finger is super glittery along with the back of my hand. So those are really cool. And like I said, these retail for $44, which is absolutely insane. And the last thing, yes, the last thing we have is in some bubble wrap. And this is Ace Beauty Grandenoise palette. So, whoops. So we have an eyeshadow palette, I'm guessing here. And this says, featuring 4 shimmer shades and 4 bold mattes, your new Grandoise palette has all you need to create unlimited eye looks. These eyeshadows were carefully milled and pressed to deliver intense pigmentation and easy blending. And this retails for $24.99. So we will slide this out, and it has the same like packaging. It has the slipcover did, and there it is. It is very pretty, very sleek looking. I really like it. And then we open it up. It does have a safety shield on it. That looks kind of cool. Like, sorry, I'm really weird. Wow, those are really pretty. So here are the shades, and we'll get some swatches here on my arm, or on my hand. The first one I'm going to swatch is called Jasmine. They're very soft. Here is Jasmine on my finger, and then here it is swatched. It is just a shimmery light shade. I don't know if you guys will be able to really see that one. The next one is called Clove. And here is this one. It is like a peachy color. And we'll put that one there. There's Clove. The next one is called Myrtle. And it again, this one is a shimmery shade. And there's that one. And here it is swatched on my arm. They're very, very pigmented and super pretty. The next one is called Cinnamon. And it is a matte brown color. And we'll just swatch that one here. And there's Cinnamon. The next one is called Patchouli, something of that sorts. And it is a very light, like, tan shade. And we'll swatch that one here. It's very hard to see them on camera, but it is a very light shade. The next one is this pink color, and it is called Rose. And it is pink. And here is that swatched on my arm. Very pretty. The next one is called Poppy, and it is a dark maroon color. And there's that one. And we'll swatch it right next to Rose. They're super pretty. And the last one we have is Primrose, and it is a brown shimmer shade. And here's this one on my finger here. And we'll swatch it right there. So there are all the shades in the palette. I think they're very pretty. They're a little fallouty, but they're beautiful. I would definitely be using this palette, grabbing for it a lot. So I'm excited with this palette. So that is everything that I got in my Boxycharm. Now, if I do some quick math here, I can tell you the retail value of my box is $109.98. So that is really good considering this box only costs $21 a month. I absolutely love Boxycharm. I did get an email from them saying that they had to replace some of my items in the box, so I'm not sure exactly what I was supposed to get and what they replaced it with. But I really like everything that I got. I would definitely use everything. The lashes, I'm going to have to work with. So, but they are beautiful. They are absolutely beautiful. And I absolutely love all of the eyeshadow shades. So yeah, that is all that I have for this video. If you guys like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe down below and hit the little bell notification so you get notified every time that I upload a video. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!